Hey guys, it's Kika, your lifestyle blogger. And in this episode, I am doing some redecorating to my house for the spring. So stay tuned as I show you how I change out my fireplace and I update my kitchen in this blog episode. Keep watching, more video footage coming up. All right, you guys, I'm about ready to start painting the kitchen. So let me just show you a couple things that I did. I changed out the chandelier, added some crystals to it. I'm not quite done with this one yet, but I just added a few just to give it a different look and a different vibe because it's gonna go nice with the new cabinet handles that I have. I'm gonna do that light fixture up there and the dining room table I'm gonna eventually get to as well. Probably not right away, but I'm gonna get to them. So I just wanna give you a glimpse of the kitchen and what it looks like. So we're gonna do some before and after photos. So keep watching, more video footage coming up. Alright guys, so I'm still up. It's late and I'm still painting, but I want to show you what I've done so far. I'm done with the bottom part of the cabinets. I'm waiting for them to dry, and then I think I might attempt to do the knobs. If not today, tomorrow for sure. And then I need to go over these top cabinets because the last paint that I got, the paint was glossy. And I don't want these cabinets to be glossy. I have more like a matte finish because that's kind of the thing that's out right now. So I want to go over this gloss and just touch it up a little bit with the matte finish paint that I have. It's the paint that I painted the fireplace with. And then just to kind of give you a look at what the cabinets are looking like. But now what's happening is my cabinets are looking better than my floor, my hardwood floors that I redid. So I'm gonna have to wash, mop, shine, and kind of redo those as well. So I'm just gonna keep plugging away. Also, I kind of repainted this stand. This was the stand that I had my cookbook on. And so I went and I bought some additional cookbooks. Since I have a smoothie maker, I got Dr. Sebi's smoothies. And then I got another Dr. Sebi book here. So I'm gonna put both of those books on this stand when it dries, and it'll sit kind of like right here on my island. Eventually, hopefully in the next couple months, I'm gonna change these countertops out to be more of a marble look. But this is okay for now. It does go, but I rather have it a marble look. So I'm planning to change that out. More like a white marble. And then these I had just got from my boyfriend's mom. And the color just didn't go since I changed the color on the bottom of the cabinet. So I decided to paint them. And that's what I'm doing here. I'm painting them black. And then I'm going to return them to its spot up there. I cleaned off that counter. And I kind of moved things around and put it in its rightful place. So now we have a little bit more room in the kitchen. So keep watching. More video footage coming up. Alright guys, so the best time to paint is at night. So it is like 11 o'clock at night. I don't know if you can see that. No. Anyway, it's 11 o'clock at night. Everybody in the house is asleep except for Mom. And this is the best time to get things done because you don't have any interruptions or people coming in the kitchen and kind of messing up your work. So when the house is quiet, everyone goes to bed, pour yourself a glass of wine, listen to some music, and do your decorating. That's my suggestion. Okay, so I'm using one paintbrush. So I want to make sure everything is dry and I don't need to reuse it using the paint that I'm currently using, because once I wash this paintbrush and use it for the color white to do the upper cabinets, I just want to be done. So what I'm doing is kind of standing back and looking, making sure there's not any spots that I missed. My main concern right now is just making sure that these are painted and dried, painted enough all the way around. So the colors that I'm using in my home, you know, is the black, the white, gray, and teal blue. So those are my colors: black, white, gray, and teal blue. I have 4 colors that are dominating in my home that I'm using. And then down in the speakeasy, it's the black, and we added red. We took the blue out, but we have all the other colors, but we added red. And we do have a whimsical color, which is the blue couch that's down there, but everything is in keeping with the design theme of the home. But in the speakeasy, it is a little different because I wanted it to feel like a different vibe down there when you go into that space. So that is much different than up here. Up here is more like a country cottage look. So anyway, we'll just leave it at that. Alright, so something as simple as trading cabinet knobs out is key to upgrading or improving your kitchen. So you see the knobs that we had before, and then this is what we're switching to. That is why we put the little crystal on the chandeliers, so that everything works cohesively. So keep watching. More video footage coming up.
You're mine for sure.